All right. This is my screen. Okay, let me share my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, yes.
All right. Wait, so I'm looking for tell to tell my router so that some no go off. Why we are having this meeting. All right. Hmm. uh So we stop at we stop at navigation part on the website, right? Which is this part, and I said I will explain the other part. So look at where we stop. We stop here. We stop. All right. Stop here. Yes. Yeah. We stop
We
here.
have menu button.
Yeah. This place. That's where we stop. You understand?
Yeah.
So we'll
Yes.
now continue now. Now this active link, right? This active
Yes.
link. There's nothing like active link class in our HTML.
Yes.
There's nothing like active link class in our HTML. Hmm?
Mm.
Okay. Okay, look at it. Oh, yes. So there's active link. Look at it. There's
On
active link.
the class nav list.
Yes. On the class nav link. Now, what I want to do, I want to try to explain this one. So this position, the position, now this active link now, let me show you. This active link now, you see that this particular item have two class name, nav link and active link. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Nav link and active link.
Yes.
Now we want to style this particular HTML elements now with class name, with this class name.
Actively.
Yeah, with this class name. So we are saying active link position should be relative. Hmm? Position should be relative. We have talked about positioning and relative and absolute now. So we know that relative now, any class name that carry relative, that tells you that the HTML that have that class name, it is the parent element. Then any other element that will not style absolute to
Is a
that particular
child.
element is the child element. Do you understand? So that's why we are
Yes.
having position relative. Then we have color. Color is variable. Then this.
Please, can you shift this thing downward a bit? This thank you.
Yeah. Variable color is first color, right? First color.
Yes.
Transition. Transition is 3 seconds. That's if there's any transition in that particular part. So then this active link after means that when you are this first one is when you click on that particular link. Look at it. When you click on this particular link now. Hmm? So this is a link now.
Yes.
This is a link. This is our home
Mm.
link
Home
about
link.
project
Right.
contact, right? It's telling you that when you click on it, it will now show you that this is the active link. You understand? Then by the time you now move from here to this other side, this will now show you that okay, this is the active one. Either you move from here to this side, this one will now show you that this is the active one. Do you understand what I mean?
Yes.
So that's why you're seeing active. Then after is now the content will now become
Okay.
not. Then position will now become absolute. Left will now become 50%. Bottom minus
50%
yeah.
minus.
Width 5 pixel, height 5 pixel, background is. You understand? So we are saying active after content will be empty. Content will be empty. Then position will be absolute. Left left position will be 50%. 50%. Then bottom will be minus 15 pixel. Then transform will be translate. This one is to like you are transforming the active list. Do you understand? Transforming it. So you are saying transform should be translate, then should be minus 50%, then minus 50%. Then we also have width. Width is 5 pixel. The height is 5 pixel too. Background variable first
Hello.
color. Border radius should be 50%. You understand? But let me open this HTML to show you what I'm talking about. Are you seeing this color? You are seeing it right. You are seeing this small box now.
Mm.
Showing you that this is the active session. This active session. Active session landing page. Are you getting it?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what we just did.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we are done with everything. We are done with all this session like this. We are done with this session like this now. This nav bar session. We are done with it. So we are moving to the wrap session. We are moving to the wrap session. All this session, that's what we want to do now. So for the wrap session, we will give the wrap class attribute or class name a particular style. We are saying wrapper padding inline 10 VW, right? So that's all for this particular class, this wrapper class. Now we just give it a padding inline, and the padding inline is 10 VW. That's the measurement. Now we are moving to the feature bus session, which is this session, this feature bus session here. So that's what we want to work on now. So now we are saying the feature bus should have a position of relative. Then display now should be fresh. You still remember fresh box now, abi?
Yes.
Height. Height should be height should be 100 VH. Then minimum height should be 700 pixel. Now feature text box, which is this section here. That's what I want to start now. Feature text box. And what is inside? Let me show you what is inside. We have a name, then we have feature name, then feature text info. But we want to style the box itself, which is feature text box.
Yes.
That's what we want to style it. So we are saying position. We are giving a position of relative, then display of fresh box, justify content should be center, allow item should be center too, minimum height should be 80 VH, fresh direction should be column, width should be 50%, padding left
20.
should be 20 pixel. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Oh, oh. Now let's move to the feature test card span. Feature test card span, which is we'll see the feature test card before we now see span. So in that span, that's what we are styling. The span is what we are styling actually. Span. For the span, we are saying background color. The background should be this third color. Then color itself should be variable color white. Padding should be 3 pixel and 8 pixel. Font size should be 12 pixel. Border radius should be 5 pixel, right? Now moving to feature name. Let me show you. So this is the feature test card. Now this is the span that it is inside, which is what we just finish styling. Then
Okay.
feature name. This is the class we want to style now. Feature name is what we want to style.
Okay.
Yeah. So for the feature name, we are saying font size should be 50 pixel. Font weight should be 600. color variable text color second, margin now should be margin block, margin block 20 pixel, right? Then now type test. This type test, now you notice we have a class name called type test here. It is inside the span, inside the span, and that span it is inside the feature name,
Inside the feature name.
uh
Yeah.
class attribute, you get. So that's what we want to style. We want to style this particular class now. So for us to style it, we are saying type test. We're actually styling, we're actually styling this thing that you are seeing here now. I am designer, I am developer, I am this, I am that. That's what you are styling, right? Oh, so
Yeah.
hmm, so we are saying type test should be test transform capitalize. So you are saying even though the text is small letter, capitalize it. That's turn it to capital letter. Then the color of the text is variable text color third, right? Yeah, so that's that for that. Then we also have feature test info. Feature test info say font size should be 15, font size should be 15 pixel, margin bottom should be 30 pixel, then color variable text color second, right? Variable text color second. Feature text button. Are you still following?
Yes, yes.
Alright. Feature text button. Feature text button, which is this button here. This button here.
Okay.
Yeah. You are saying display should be first box. Fresh, I mean not first box. So gap should be 20 pixel. Let me show you what I'm styling. Look at it. This is what I'm styling. Feature text box. And for the inside the feature text box, we have hire me button. Then we have download CV button.
Yeah.
Right ahead. So that is what we are actually styling. That's what we are styling. Then I want to style. Want to style only this hire me button. That's why we want to now use the blue btn class name. The blue btn class name. So for this, we are saying feature background. I'll give you a background of variable first color itself should be variable color white. Hmm? Yeah, so that's that for that. Now when they hover on it, what should happen? The background should change. So that's what I want to do now. Background of that button should
Okay.
change. Yeah, the background should change. So we are saying the background should be variable first color over. You understand? Now let's move to the icons. But I'm coming. Okay, let me open this one. I seen it.
Yeah.
Wait. So let's move to the social icons button. Wait, I want to test something first.
Okay.
This thing's not on. Alright, I think it's still carrying the default. Still carrying the default. I don't know. Oh, I get it. Payment. Alright. I guess now. Daddy! Please, sorry, I'm coming on.
Okay.
Alright, let's continue. So it's still, I think this is still the same default style that we already have for these buttons. Yeah. So let's continue. So we have social icons. So we are saying the social icon button should display phrase like this, which is like this. Isn't it?
Yes.
Initially it was horizontal like this, but now say it should display like this. It should display
Vertical.
vertical. Yeah. So they were saying margin top. Margin top should be 5 em, and the gap between them should be 30 pixel. The gap between them should be 30 pixel. Yeah, isn't it? Then now let's now style the itself. Icon itself, because this share icons now is the one that is the div that carry all the icons. So we want to style each of the icon. So we are saying display should be this, justify content should be center, allow items, should be center, width should be 40 pixel, height should be 40 pixel too. Then border radius should be 50, border radius should be 50%. The box shadow should be 0 pixel, 0 pixel, no, 2 pixel, 5 pixel, 0 pixel, then GBA. So this other one will now be 0.25. Are you getting it? Then we are saying console. The console should be pointer. Yeah, that's all. Then we now have icon over. So whenever you're seeing it now, so each of the icon,
Yeah.
so whenever they over on it, let's say icon over, we are getting color should be variable first color, variable first color. Yeah, show the icons. Then so that's that for the feature test. Now let's move to feature boss. The feature boss. So for the feature boss, right? Are saying sorry, yeah, the feature image boss. I mean, so we are starting the other parts now. We are done with the first part, which is the test part. And that's moving to
Okay.
the image part, which is this part. This is where we are moving to now. This part here. So we are moving to.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are saying display should be first, justify content should be right, allow items, allow content, sorry, should be center, then minimum height should be 80 ph, The width should be 50%. Are you getting it? 50%.
Yeah.
Then image, image itself. I saying the image, that's the image element name. Abi? No, class attribute. Yeah, class attribute. Yeah, you can see that we have class attributes here.
Image. Yes.
Image. So that's what we are using. So we are saying the image, the margin of the image should be auto and zero. Auto and zero. And width should be 380 pixel. Then we're having height of 380 pixel. Then border radius now is for the whole part. So we are saying 55%, 45%, 55%, and 45%, right? Then overflow should be hidden, right? Then animation. This animation now actually work with this key flow that are seeing here. Key flows that are seeing here. This key float is, what do you notice? You notice that the image look like it is dancing. Abi? Are you there?
Yes.
Ehen. So that's what
Yes.
we're actually doing now. Now for we are saying
Okay.
that border radius, we say border radius should be 55%, 45%, 55%, 45%, right? So that's why the edges is like that. You understand? Then
Yeah.
50% translate y, which is translate uh vertical, be used vertical, translate vertical 10 pixel. The border radius after translating vertical, now reverse it 45%, 55%, 45%, 55%. Now you are not seeing keyframe image float. Then in this place now, in this animation, I see image float. The time is what? 7 seconds. Method. These are in, out. This in, out, infinite. You get? So they already so what they do, what happened here is that I already defined this one first before before I use it here. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So that's what we are doing now. So animation, image, img float, then 7 seconds is in, out, infinite, infinite. Then now image as a class name, then image as another class name too, but it is inside the image container, right? So we are saying width should be 380 pixel. I think I've used this 380 pixel before. 380 pixel, then height 380 pixel, then object fit center. Hmm? Object fit center. Alright. So now back to our keyframe. Already explained it.
Yes.
So we are saying 50%, right? Transform should transform. Vertical should be 10%. The border radius around it. What actually make it circle? We say it should have 45%, 55%, 45%, and 55 percentage. Right? So back to our BTN. Scroll BTN. Scroll BTN. I know do scroll BTN. Wow. Well, I'm coming. Okay, we have it now. Look at it here. Are you still with me? Scroll BTN. Hmm?
Yes.
Yeah, here. So now we're not saying scroll BTN. Scroll BTN class for having position first of all is absolute. Position absolute. Then bottom is 0. Left 50%. Translate. Oh, oh, oh. Eh? Translate. I didn't say sleep don't enter my eye. Oh. Translate. Then display first, right? Then allow items.
Translate is minus 50%, not percent.
My sister. Right. Justify content. Center. So you are saying all the content now should come to center. Then allow
Okay.
items. All the items in that particular class name that have that particular HTML element that have that class name, right?
Yes.
You are saying all the items should be at the center.
The center.
Then
Okay.
width should be 150 pixel. Height or that particular button should be 50 pixel. Gap should be 5 pixel. Text decoration none. Then color variable, text, text background color, text color second, then background variable white, color white, right? And the border radius 30 pixel, then brush shadow 0 2 pixel, 0 RGBA, then RGBA 0 0.25, right? That's a brush shadow color for this particular BTN. Then after that, we'll now have to style the icons itself. Initially we said all the icons should have 16 pixel, right? But now we're now styling for uh font size now be 20 pixel. Yeah, 20 pixel. You understand?
Yes, yes. For the screw button,
Uh,
font size.
yes. Can you see it now? 20 pixel.
Yes.
So we'll stop here today. At least we have
So,
covered much. And 300 now. 300 kind of cool. So on Friday we'll continue from here. You understand? But let me stop
alright.
recording. Let me
Thank
stop recording. Yeah.